I'm excited to share this very cool standard-based grading system that biology class is going to use this year. So 30% of your grade will come from how you demonstrate mastery of standards associated with the content. This is based on national standards for science, and you will show that with things like projects, tests, and activities. And 30% of your grade comes from that. Do you know the things you're supposed to know about biology? But more importantly than that, 60% of your grade will come from the application of that content to demonstrate mastery of skills in science and engineering practices, again, based on national standards. I'm going to do separate videos to explain what each of these things are and how they work and how they're graded. Then 10% of the grade comes from the final exam, which is an assessment designed to demonstrate the summative work the student has done towards the mastery of skills and content. And this is basically going to measure what the student did or had an opportunity to do throughout the semester. Lastly, there might be also a category on the gradebook to basically track the assignments the students have completed. This is the portfolio work that students engage in as they work through the lessons in order to actually demonstrate mastery. Now, the specific work that's done by the students is logged in this category basically to indicate completion. The students are given choice, however, in how they learn, practice, and demonstrate mastery. It's a bit of a choose your own adventure thing that's going on. As such, it doesn't really make sense for any given assignment to affect their grade negatively, as they may not necessarily have to complete that exact work or the same work as their peers did. However, all students must demonstrate mastery of the skills and content. Therefore, the teacher may sometimes strongly recommend engaging with specific assignments, either to specific students or the whole class. Now, some of the work may be required and will be marked missing if not completed, unless a comparable alternative assignment is completed instead. However, most of the students will work, since students have choice, will not be graded unless it is completed. So because of these things, this category isn't really weighted towards the student's grades. What actually matters is the skills that are demonstrated through that work. Nevertheless, having this category allows stakeholders, students, parents, administration, other teachers to view options that the students had to do work and whether the students actually decided to engage with those options and whether if they did them in a timely manner as well. So the work in this category still matters in such that they relate to opportunities that students actually had to demonstrate mastery. So when you see 100% or a really good job done in an assignment in this category, although it's not counting for that grade, that probably means they did well on the assignment and therefore probably earn credit in the skills and content associated with that assignment. When possible, the teacher will mark on these assignments what skills and content the students had an opportunity to earn credit on the actual categories that count uh, were. Now, the students will also keep a portfolio, a mastery evidence portfolio, a document where they will log and indicate all the work they completed in all this and how it was associated with the standards that were actually addressed by that work and required of the class. This will make more sense as we look through the other videos. I hope that you found this helpful.